Virtual Edmentum offers many different ways for students to get the best out of their virtual education. One essential tool that each lesson embedded in the Edmentum content has is something called the tutorial. I'm using an example here from a 10th grade English class. It's called Subject and Theme in Fiction. And in the tutorial, it walks a student step by step through a series of slides and gives them the basic lesson in a downloaded information for the student to be able to just really invest in the lesson and in the content. On the left of the screen is a series of dots and dashes called the table of contents. Students can go through each one of those embedded lessons and find the information necessary to complete that lesson. A wonderful feature that has been embedded for students to be able to fully go back and go through within these tutorials is this ability to click Save and Exit, and then for that mastery test that is the next in line after each tutorial, and it will open that mastery test for that student. That way, this kind of gives students an ownership over their grade. They're able to go through the content, they're able to go through and invest, take those guided notes, and then once finished with the tutorial, they hit Save and Exit, and it will automatically unlock the student's mastery test for them. This video was to explain tutorials with the Virtual Edmentum program.